vector. Unit vector. You might have studied in your school days regarding the unit vector. Unit vector is nothing else but the vector which has got whose magnitude is 1. If the magnitude of a vector is 1, we call it as an unit vector. But here, the unit vector, many people, they study to its basics. If they study, they'll understand what is the actual use of this unit vector. Unit vector means, okay, it's right, whose magnitude is 1. But apart from that one, the main aim of the unit vector is to tell the direction of the given vector. It's mainly used to denote the direction of a particular given vector. So unit vector means the vector of unit magnitude, the vector of unit magnitude or whose magnitude is 1 and it denotes the direction of the given vector, is called unit vector. The unit vector is denoted by cap. It is denoted by cap, or it is denoted by caret. See now, if I am having a unit vector like this, vector A, this one indicates the cap or caret. And now here, if I talk about a vector, if there is a vector to me, if a vector is given to me like this, vector A, then that vector has been denoted as mod A into A cap. Then from this one, we can understand that a vector is nothing else but it's a combination or a product of magnitude of this vector and also the direction of this vector. This particular notation or this particular formula will tell us that vector is nothing else but it's a product of magnitude. It's the mod indicates the magnitude and the cap indicates the direction. So it is a combination of magnitude of vector and direction of the vector. Then from this one we can write A cap is equal to vector A by mod A. So this is the formula for unit vector. The A cap is equal to vector A by mod A. So now how to understand this one? Let me give you one example. So now here see now, if one of the car is moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second in east direction, if this is the velocity of this particular car, if a particular car is going with a velocity of 5 meters per second in east direction, then how to identify this unit vector? So unit vector for this one, let me take it as vector is equal to A, that is equal to, what is this one? Vector. What is the vector of this one? The vector is velocity. So now I'll write it as velocity here. Velocity V cap is equal to V vector by mod V. So that is equal to, what is this one? 5 meters per second east over, then mod of this one will get only the magnitude of this one. Magnitude is 5 meters per second. 5 meters per second and 5 meters per second will get cancelled. You will have only ultimately east one. So now you can, from this example, you can say that the unit vector is mostly used to denote the direction of the particular vector. The unit vector is mostly used to denote the direction of a particular given vector. A velocity is given to you. So in order to identify the unit vector, this unit vector is mainly used to find out this direction, that is east in my case. Okay. So this is regarding what is meant by unit.